Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone 15 Pro runs iOS 17 or later and has at least 50% battery. This avoids interruptions. Once done, verify your carrier supports eSIM and have the QR or activation code ready, because you'll need it immediately. Then, make sure airplane mode is off, open Settings, tap Cellular, and select Add eSIM to begin the activation flow. This is the first actionable step that moves you from preparation into configuration. You now scan the carrier QR or choose Enter Details manually. This injects the carrier profile into your phone, and it's why having the code is critical. Next, assign labels and set which line is primary versus secondary for calls and cellular data so apps route correctly. If activation stalls, restart the phone to force network negotiation, and then return to Settings, right arrow Cellular to confirm the eSIM status shows activated. That sequence completes the core configuration. You finish by verifying signal strength, making a short test call, and confirming mobile data works. This proves the profile is functional. Then, check for carrier settings updates under Settings, right arrow General, right arrow About, because updated settings resolve many edge problems. If things still fail, remove the eSIM, restart, and re-add it. And if that doesn't work, contact your carrier with the eSIM IXID and activation code. This gives them the exact identifier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.